ये क्वेश्चन रजत कुमार का है. I like this question. He says, how did you know you had completed a topic? Essentially आपका वो मेट्रिक्स क्या है कि इतना हो जाए तो मुझे टॉपिक कंट्रोल में आ गया. What was the measure? They says, was it when you would recall everything or solve its PYQ? Or after practicing a certain number of questions beyond PYQs, what created the sense of completion for you? Rajat Kumar is asking that.
So first of all, it is a good question.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, I agree.
Sir, I would use two things here. One was the PYQs. Of course, like PYQ has been an essential part of my journey. So first, I would see that whatever PYQs are being asked, so whatever I've studied, am I able to touch upon every PYQ? If not completely, then am I able to answer some part or the other of the PYQ? One was this, and the second one was for active recalling. Like if I have read the topic and if I have a complete understanding, for example, if isostasis is a topic, so if I have a complete understanding that I can understand what is flotation principle and what does Airy say, what does Pratt say. So अगर नोटबुक बंद करके अगर मैं उसको याद कर पा रहा हूँ क्लियरली जैसे so that I can explain it to somebody who doesn't know it. So that was my metric that अब अगर आंसर आ जाएगा तो I'll be able to answer. And second was the PYQ and third of course answer writing helped a lot.
So one is, if I recall your steps, आपके पास क्लास नोट्स है.
Yes.
क्लास नोट्स को आपने कंसाइज किया, whatever time you have done, then you consciously memorize it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After memorization, then you try to recall that. कि जी पूरा reproduce कर पा रहा हूँ कि नहीं, correct?
Yes, sir.
The next step is whether you can appreciate the PYQs, okay, whether you think कि हाँ अब आंसर हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है, and last stage is when you can write a proper answer.
Yes, sir. This is essentially the entire thing.
Notes, summary, memorize, recall, PYQ level check, and then it is
Answer
answer writing.
writing.
तो ये पूरा सीक्वेंस करने में उत्कर्ष कितना टाइम लगता है?
सर अगर इसमें जैसे नोट्स और समरी तो मैंने पहले ही फाउंडेशन में कर लिया था सो इफ वी काउंट 6 to 8 months ऑफ फाउंडेशन
Okay.
एंड बाकी 3 months ऑफ दिस तो आई थिंक वन अराउंड 1 year इट टेक्स 1.5 years इट टेक्स अगर पूरा मान के चले